3D printers are the future of manufacturing. More and more industries are adopting 3D printing technology to ease their creation processes and minimize the overall cost. But all this can be achieved when you have chosen the right 3D printer, and with so many options available today in the market, it becomes a headache to finalize the best one. So, to help you buy the best 3D printer, there are 7 things to consider. And these are: material compatibility. First, selecting the appropriate 3D printer depends on the material to be used and the required volume and quality of the parts. Materials range from nylon to resin to composite materials and many more. A detailed discussion with the vendor is recommended to determine the best option. Number 2. Build volume. When selecting a printer, consider the production requirements and maintenance time or changeovers to avoid production delays. Choose a printer that supports the necessary production needs. Number 3. Cost. When choosing a printer, balance your budget with the features you need. A mid-range printer may be sufficient for your goals, and it's not always necessary to spend more on high-end features that you won't use frequently. The cost can range from $2,000 to several $1,000s. Number 4. Size and volume. Evaluate the printer size and volume. Make sure it fits in your workspace and accommodates your projects. Number 5. Print quality and speed. Check print quality and speed. Balancing both ensures efficient and high-quality prints. Ensure the printer provides optimal settings for resolution and printing speed and time. Also get trials before purchase. Number 6. Ease of use. A simplified interface helps getting a good start with your employees. Easy to learn and operate printers are also easier accepted by the staff and ensure smoother operation. Number 7. Support and maintenance. Choose a printer with reliable customer support and easy maintenance. So, by keeping these 7 factors in mind, you'll make a well-informed decision when purchasing your 3D printer.